Hello, this is a quick video on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and specifically regarding its AI features with an emphasis on agentic AI. So in other words, this is where the phone actually does things for you. So while the features are potentially some productivity gains that are made possible, but along with that are some new features for data handling and automation where users would want to take a more proactive approach to privacy. So this video provides a bit of a rundown on the Ultra's AI ecosystem and some recommendations for safety and performance. So the new agentic upgrades with these, the S26 can perform multi-step tasks such as booking or scheduling a ride or scheduling appointments, also with an NPU that is said to be almost 40% faster. So what can you do? I can't flip the slide. That's what I can't do on my Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. Of course, you can give the phone voice commands, but what happens when the phone misunderstands you? For sure, AI can occasionally misinterpret a voice command or contextual cue, leading to hallucinated actions, such as booking the wrong a trip for the wrong day, or instead of ordering a Hawaiian pizza, you find yourself in Honolulu. Actually, I quite like that. So yes, the final confirmation, like the one you always have to click on Windows, and after 20 years of using Windows and not even paying attention to what the pop-up box says because you just want to get through it and do whatever you need to do on your laptop, now we really need to check the final confirmation screens before allowing the AI to complete a booking for a flight to Honolulu or wherever you want to go. So we're going to start hearing of reports, I'm sure, of examples of random things that AI bots have bought. I really cannot wait. Haven't done the research on that yet, but can't wait to find some extreme examples. That's coming up on a future video. On the topic of cloud versus local processing. So here's an interesting one. While the Snapdragon Gen 5 chip handles more on-device AI, the complex tasks like Creative Studio or deep text analysis on Gemini or Perplexity, for example, still require Samsung servers. So the risk here is uploading sections of documents or private information or photos to the cloud for processing and means your data leaves the device. Actually, there's a setting on this that we'll cover in just a moment, but part of the difficulty here is that third-party agents like Perplexity or Gemini would have their own data policies that differ from Samsung's. So just because it's part of the same ecosystem on your phone doesn't mean the data will be treated the same way. The paywall transition. So here's what I'd like to call a big red flag. Samsung has indicated that while current Galaxy AI features are free, advanced features released in the future may transition to a paid subscription model. As usual, you buy the phone but have to pay extra to use its features. Get used to it. Everything is becoming a subscription. On privacy and data control, as I mentioned a moment ago, actually, there's a setting regarding the processing of data, which is titled Process Data Only on Device. So the path is Settings, Galaxy AI, Process Data Only on Device. So just like it says, it enables processing of data only on the mobile phone. So turn this on, of course, for maximum privacy, but yet better yet, if something is to that level of privacy, don't even put it on your phone. In fact, if it really is private, don't have your phone anywhere near you. Also, not to cause frustration, after you enable the feature, enabling this will disable certain features like the generative photo editor and Creative Studio, as they require cloud-based GPU power. So now this next feature I find really fascinating, and I covered this in a video last month. The S26 Ultra has a unique hardware/software hybrid feature which narrows the screen's viewing angle. And yes, I probably did try to make some random comment about why you would need such level of privacy, but no matter. It's a great little feature and probably will be added as a subscription package sometime in the future. So follow the path to click on this feature, settings, display, privacy display. You can set it to activate automatically, for example, when you open up a banking app or a secure folder, preventing shoulder surfing while riding the metro train or at home or wherever you want to have privacy on your phone. So there's also a notification summaries feature, which allows the phone to review apps which are allowed to be summarized by AI. And yes, you may want to disable this for encrypted messaging apps like WhatsApp or Signal to ensure that the AI isn't reading your sensitive snippets to generate summaries. When it comes to getting the most out of the S26 Ultra, some people prefer to use their finger, but the S Pen is also said to be like a magic wand. Instead of just circling to search, use the AI select tool on the edge panel. You can use it to highlight a flight number or like data table or something on your screen. The AI can then instantly extract the data and import it into a Samsung health log or calendar invite without manually typing. So have fun with that. And there's also this now brief widget. The widget, which is available in settings slash Galaxy AI, looks at your upcoming schedule, health stats, or weather or anything into a single conversational paragraph summarizing your day ahead, and it can be set to do this every morning. Also, you can long press the widget to customize content to include, so you can customize that content also as far as what it tracks and what is included in the summary. So finally, the Creative Studio found in the app screen or the edge panel is quite useful for content creators. You can use the style icon to enhance standard photographs, converting those into professional grade stickers or LinkedIn graphics or things like that, for example. And there's also an audio eraser feature to remove background noise from your video clips and other fancy enhancements. So have fun with all of that. So that was just a quick one on the S26 Ultra AI features. This is just the beginning. AI is going to be on your refrigerator soon. Stay tuned. I'll be covering it. Enjoy your AI journey and all the best for the day ahead.